Hello, my dear students. My name is Jijo Vijayan. I am a former mechanical engineer and piping design engineer by profession. Now I am a recruiter in the EPC domain. EPC companies are companies which design and construct power plants, petrochemical plants, oil refinery, nuclear plants, etc. If you are somebody from mechanical, civil, electrical, instrumentation or chemical field stuck in low salaries in construction, maintenance, operations, production, etc., then I suggest you learn the relevant software and become a design engineer in the EPC domain. Following are the softwares that you should learn to become a design engineer. For mechanical engineers, you start with learning 2D software, AutoCAD and MicroStation. Then you learn E3D or SP3D piping for 3D modeling of piping. Then you learn Caesar 2 for stress analysis and finally learn PV-Elite, that is a software used in equipment modeling and heat exchanger design. For civil engineers, you become a structural design engineer and the softwares that you need to learn is E3D or SP3D structures along with Bentley MicroStation for 2D. And Tekla, Xsteel and StatPro are the softwares used in industrial structural design, but the problem here is that low salary. Then comes chemical engineers. Chemical engineers can learn a software called HYSYS, that is for simulation, and SP P&ID or Smart Plant P&ID, that's a software used in P&ID generation. There is a huge demand for this particular software in EPC sector. Then comes electrical domain. Electrical engineers should learn a software called ETABS, that is for electrical design engineering analysis, and there is another software called Smart Plant Electrical that is used in the electrical design engineering. There is a huge demand for people who know SPEL software. Then comes instrumentation domain. Instrumentation engineer should learn a software called Smart Plant Instrumentation that is used in detail engineering in calculation. It comes with the backend of Oracle database and this software is known as InTools earlier. For 3D modeling of instrumentation systems, you should learn SP3D or E3D instrumentation, and this software is very much necessary to become a design engineer. So I have covered mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, civil and chemical engineering. So if you are from this background, kindly don't wait. I want to tell you that get into detail engineering in oil and gas. Learn the relevant skills. Before you learn the relevant skills, ensure that you learn the basics of piping, structural equipment, etc. and get the study material in the required domain. I can give a 2500 page study material for mechanical and instrumentation engineers, and those who are interested please contact me. My contact details are given below this video, and kindly spread this video to as many engineers as possible. Even diploma holders or ITI holders are also fine. If you want to change your career, do skill development and become a design engineer today itself. Thank you very much and have a nice day.